Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the awesome looking Crove. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's a little bit more tricky than the other Piggy characters because it's got the little hoodie. So to begin, we're going to draw in the inside of the hoodie first. So just draw from the center here, you can make a little point. And we're going to come down, and it's going to be a little bit steeper here because it's going to be covering his head. So just come down both sides a little bit sharper. And then now we're going to round this out. So this will be the bottom of the head. Okay, so it's a little bit of a tricky shape. So this part is rounder, and then this part's a little bit sharper. Okay, and then from here, let's come back to the center. I'm going to draw one line going up, and we're going to finish up the hoodie first. Okay, so from here, let's extend this line. Just come down. Come down right around there. Now we'll go up here. Just curve all the way down, so it's gonna be a lot skinnier on the bottom right here. And then just close that off. And that will give us the hoodie. Okay, and then to finish it off, just kind of come in. So this will be going behind the head. Alright, so that's the trickiest part, and now let's go ahead and finish up the face. So when I come to the center of this, let's see, if the center of this is probably right around here. I'm going to go up slightly. Okay, start over here, just draw one line. We're going to draw in the beak first. Angle down. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. So we're drawing like a little diamond shape. And let's go ahead and finish up this part first. So just extend the line, just kind of draw a little bracket going down. Okay, so now let's draw in the eyes. So whatever space right here, it's gonna be touching the hoodie right here. So from the hoodie, I'm just gonna draw one big circle, just touching this part. Same thing here, I'm gonna start right here. Okay, and let's see, let me go ahead and I'll just add a little circle. And then let me shade this up real quick. Okay, and then the cheeks, real simple right here. Just a little egg shape. And then now to giving the mean brow, so I'm just gonna go right over the eye right here. Nice and easy with a Sharpie, just a couple of broad strokes. Okay, so that's the head, and yeah, definitely that's the trickiest part. And now for the body, we'll start right on here. Here's your shoulder. Curve out. Come to the center of this. Just gonna draw one little curve. And then whatever space you have here, just finish off the little dress here. And we can add in a couple of lines right here, right in the crease. And even up here as well. Alright, so since we're down here, let's go ahead and finish up the legs. So the legs are a little bit different right here. Come to the center, make a little mark. I'm going to draw a curve going all the way up here. So just connect that. And then now for the lower leg, start right here. Go all the way down. Start here, curve out. Okay, and then to finish up the toes, just come in first, okay? And then right in the middle of this, I'm gonna add one little angle. So in the middle of this, let's draw a little angle. And then now whatever space you have here, just close it off with another angle. Okay, so those are the legs, and now let's come back up here and finish up the arm. So it's got a little bit more detail right here, right on the shoulder. Just come out, just draw a little hook first. And then here's the armpit. I'll draw one line, come back up here, continue out, so this is gonna be the wrist. So here's the armpit. I'm just gonna stop right there. And let's go ahead and finish up this hand first. So right here, just one little bump for the thumb. And then it's got some detail here. Continue down, just kind of draw a little sharp angle right there. Okay, and then now for the other fingers, come down, just round it out, and then just go tuck it right behind there. And then for the one more finger right here. Alright, so now let's draw in the other hand, and this one's gonna be holding the weapon. It's gonna be holding the scythe. So now we're gonna draw right in the middle right here. Just draw one little curve like this first. And let's go ahead and draw in the thumb. So I'm just gonna extend this line, just round that out. So that's gonna be the thumb. And then now for the handle for the weapon, start right here, curve out. And same thing here. Let's go ahead and close that off. And we can come back here and finish up the hand. So it's got some detail right here, but we can't see it because it's behind the weapon. So I'm just gonna draw one line. Just go ahead and close that off. And then the finger's gonna be right around here. So just one little bump. And if you wanna add in one more finger, we just close that off. Okay, so now for the tip right here, I'm just gonna extend this line. And this part right here is gonna curve up. It's got a big hook right here. And then now whatever space you have here, just come back down. Nice and sharp on the top, and then just round it out. Okay, and then now for the, I guess for the blade part of this, I'm gonna start right here. This one's gonna come down. Come back up here, and we're gonna connect to this, so nice and sharp on the bottom. Okay, so that's the overall shape, and let's see, there's some more detail right here. Just some more spikes. Just give it a little bit of curve. And then right in the middle of this, let's draw one here. And then smaller ones next to it. And we can add in the handle right here on the back. So we just extend this line. Let's draw one little loop. Alright, so that is it for this Crove. It's a very cool looking character. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.